And so this small knot completely fills the bottom of the mortise. We flatten it, and then our little wedge fills in the rest, and it's tight, but it does not squeeze the side of the head. That's important that you don't squeeze this way, the size of the head, because this is a 9,000 euro bow. We don't want to do any damage. And I'm pulling on the hair just ever so slightly, pulling backwards, and then pushing in very gently. And then we finish it just with little tiny. And the design of this bow is beautiful. And that you can see right here at the edges, there's a little tiny space that you can get your tool in. And when you take the wedge out in the future, you just put it in here and pop, it comes right out. So that's how a good rehairing in the head should look like. It's like the hair grew out of the ground. It grew out of the head. Then we take it over and see how beautifully it looks on this side. Mm-hmm. Get real close right there and you can see. Looks real beautiful right in here. That's very, very beautiful. That's what it's supposed to look like. That's how we start with our bow rehairing, at the head. This is critical that this be done correctly. So it's not too tight, but it's tight enough to never do any damage to the head, but yet protect it. And the hair will be nice and straight all the way down to the frog. Okay, now I have to go help your mother. And we gently hold this in our little rig. Voila! Isn't that cool?
Yep.